Fill the tank with purified water or distilled water, and pay attention to fill laser-specific antifreeze in winter. Fill water until the liquid level reaches the green line. The laser can only be turned on when the real-time temperature reaches 20 degrees or more. Release the emergency stop button. Turn on the system and laser system. Wait a few seconds for the system to initialize. Pay attention to the liquid level and temperature of the water chiller. Turn on laser enable. Adjust power, focal length and width according to your needs. The max cleaning width is different, depends on focal length. Press and hold the button until the light is lit. Press the button again to start cleaning. Thanks for choosing KEVO.